In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Shopify account efficiently. Logging out is a simple but essential task to ensure the security of your account, especially if you share a device or use a public computer. Let's walk through this process together so you can do it confidently and securely each time you finish working on your store. First, you'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is essentially the central hub where you manage your entire store, from product listings to analytics. Once you're there and you've finished working on your tasks, it's good practice to log out to protect your account information. Let's focus on locating the logout option, which might not be immediately obvious if you're new to Shopify or if it's been a while since you last logged out. Take a look at the upper right-hand corner of your Shopify admin dashboard. You should notice an icon, which might be your store icon or perhaps a profile photo if you've set one up. This icon represents your account settings and user options, and we'll be interacting with it to log out. If you're ever unsure, hover your mouse over this area. It should highlight or provide a small prompt to indicate that this is where you can find more options. Click on the store icon or your profile photo. A drop-down menu will appear, offering several options related to your account and store. It's structured to give you quick access to various settings and actions. Now, look through the drop-down menu and you should see the logout option listed among these choices. Selecting logout is a straightforward action, but it's an important one for maintaining the security of your store. Once you click logout, Shopify will sign you out of your account. You'll know this has been successful when you are redirected to the Shopify login page. At this point, you're securely logged out, and you can rest assured that your account is protected until the next time you need to sign in. It's a simple process, but it's a great habit to develop whenever you're done working on your Shopify store, particularly if you're a part of a team or using a shared machine. Continually logging out helps prevent unauthorized access and keeps your business information safe. I hope this guide has made the logout process clear and straightforward. While it may seem like a small step, it's a critical one in protecting your store and ensuring that your business remains secure. Thank you for joining me today. Feel free to reach out with any questions or comments, and don't forget to practice signing out every time you conclude your session in Shopify. Stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.